So today I'm going to be reviewing the cordless UV LED nail lamp. So when you open it up, you do have the manual. This is the LED lamp, and as I said, it is a cordless one, but you do have to charge it up. So you just plug it in there to charge it up. It has 45 powerful LED lamp beads in it, and the turn on button is right on the side over here, and you can just turn it on. Once you turn it on, you can see the timing. It has a 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and 60-second setting on it. It has an handle. You can carry it really nicely. So let me paint my nails and show you what it looks like. And I'm gonna set it for 60 seconds. So we're gonna put our fingers in there, and you see it works really well. And it feels really nice on my fingers. So once it has finished, the time goes off, and you can see it's really nicely done. And then you have the timer again. You can set it for another 60 seconds. So it's waiting for the next end to get set.